Welcome to QuazerGraphs, an online tool for analyzing and organizing unstructured data into informational displays. So what exactly are QuazerGraphs, and how can we use them? In order to understand QuazerGraphs, we first have to look at the traditional transcript format. Transcriptions are useful for capturing the details of various types of meetings, but they can be time-consuming to read or search through. For example, this 18-page-long transcript of a July 17 press conference given by Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. We may want to compile a list of everything one person said about a specific topic, such as each instance that Governor DeSantis mentioned Orange County in this press conference. Or perhaps we want to see how many speakers there were at a glance. What if there was a quick, powerful way to visualize this information? Enter QuazerGraphs. QuazerGraphs is a technology that takes linear transcripts and transforms them into interactive network graphs that illustrate the relationships between meeting participants and important topics. Here is the previously mentioned press conference in QuazerGraph form. As we can easily see, there were 6 primary speakers at the conference. Each line represents a piece of dialogue spoken by a participant about the connected topic. If we click on this graph in the Quazer website, we can see some important details about it. On the right of the graph is a table with information about the selected connection. If we click on the link between Governor DeSantis and Orange County, the table will show this. The heading Single Ref Sent shows the single sentences where Orange County was mentioned by DeSantis. Break simply indicates the break between instances of the subject matter being mentioned. Up above, under Dialogues, we see the larger context of these short quotes. Under Name, we see the speaker's name as well as the subject of the quotes. And in relevant graphs, such as this one, the sentiment row gives us a general sentiment analysis on a scale of -1 to 1, with 1 being the most positive. It simply assesses how positively a speaker feels about the topic, based on the manner in which they talk about it. These scores can be useful in the right context. For example, in estimating whether a participant is for or against a particular policy. Another thing we can do with QuazerGraphs is download them into Cytoscape, a free and easy-to-use desktop software. By clicking the download button, a CX file is saved to the computer, which can be opened in Cytoscape. In the program, we can change the visual style or layout of the graph. But the most powerful feature of bringing QuazerGraphs into Cytoscape is the ability to merge graphs. For example, we can merge the July 17 DeSantis press conference with the one held on the 18th. In order to merge these files, click on one of the graphs under the Network window, then click Tools, then Merge Networks. The program will prompt us to choose which networks to merge, and once we select them, it will create a new graph based on the combined data. If we want to dive really deep, we could download all of the graphs that include Governor DeSantis and easily merge them into a single Quazer graph. This would allow us to get a comprehensive look at the governor's interactions for this time period. On the QuazerGraphs website, there are thousands of graphs to explore, including current events, Supreme Court arguments, Shakespeare, movies, and more. New graphs are added every day. Visit the website at QuazerGraphs.com or find QuazerGraphs on Twitter by following the handle @QuazerGraphs.